Today we are going to learn about manufacturing, which is how things or products are made in a factory. A factory is a big building with machines and people that make a lot of products, like a car to sell. Put together a puzzle on your own or with family. Putting together a puzzle, like assembling a product. Parts of a car or vehicle come to a factory where engineers and workers put them together using a plan. When the car is complete, it is ready to be sold to a customer. Imagine you work in a factory. It is your job to gather and ship items to the customer. Let's see if you can figure out a way to do it quickly and efficiently. So, you'll need to take a play card, see what's on it, put the play card in a bag, any bag, and then you'll need to, like in the first play card, it says 4 markers. I take 4 markers out of the first box, put them in the bag, put the card in the bag as well, and then you'll put them in the shipping box. And you'll need a person to help you with the cards and stopwatch. The stopwatch is so it times you how long.
Correct number of her item into the bag, then pass it to the next person/bin. The card and the bag get passed along the line of bins until it gets to the end. Then at the final bin, the last person closes the bag and puts it in the shipping box.
Today we'll be using modeling clay, Play-Doh, and cutters. The cutters are like a die press. If you have a rolling pin, you could use that to roll out the modeling clay or Play-Doh and then cut shapes into it with the cutters. Efficient manufacturing has 3 goals. The first goal, making a lot of parts quickly without wasting time. The second goal, the parts need to be of good quality. The third goal, the process needs to be safe. Let's see how many high-quality cuts you can efficiently make in 2 minutes. Many of the parts that go into a vehicle are stamped or pressed out of metal with a machine called a die press. A die press pushes on a sheet of metal, shaping it and cutting it into each vehicle part, just like you can press shapes out of modeling clay and Play-Doh with cookie cutters. Sort. First, manufacturers sort their materials. They make sure they have everything they need and only what they need. Set in order. Next, they put the materials in the order they'll be used. Shine. As they assemble the parts, manufacturers keep the materials in order and keep their line of materials clean and tidy. Standardize means to keep things the same. So during every step of the process, manufacturers make sure everyone knows the order of the materials and how to make their part of the product. It's like everyone knowing the rules of a game. The final S, sustain, means to keep things going. In manufacturing, everyone on the team has the job of keeping things tidy, in order, and follow the same steps just like you would do on a soccer team. You just found out that your factory will be manufacturing a brand new car. To get started, gather all your materials for one vehicle. You will need some straws, toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls, or a water bottle. And you might need some glue or tape, and some sticks, and some paper, and a helper or two. First, you will check for quality. Make sure you have good parts before assembling them. Make sure the parts are attached well. Make sure the wheels roll straight. Make sure everything works well. Manufacturers check to make sure their products are well made and work correctly before they ever get to the customer. That's called quality control.